Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about enabling filter keys on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Start menu, type in Settings. Best result, you come back with Settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then going down, select the Ease of Access tile. On the left side, underneath Interaction, select Keyboard. And then on the right, scrolling down, where it says Use Filter Keys, ignore brief or repeated keystrokes and change keyboard repeat rates. Go ahead and toggle that on, and then you can adjust additional modification settings below. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.